Bohol is setting its sights on becoming the dairy capital of the Visayas, says Governor Aris Aumentado. DA-USEC, Jerome Oliveros, and NDA Administrator Marcus Andaya says Bohol's mapped out its agri roadmap to 2030. Priorities includes boost dairy, production, license farmer entrepreneurs, increase fish output, and strengthen partnerships. Gov. Aris thanked the national government for fueling Bohol's agricultural progress.
Bohol is not just the chocolate hills and tarsiers, it's also a model for circular agri-enterprise from grass to glass.
Ito po pinaghihirapan namin sa Maynila upang palakasin, padamihin. Subalit kayo pala dito sa Bohol, hindi nyo lang pinalalakas, pinagdiriwang nyo pa. Palakpakan po natin ang mga sarili po natin. Sa katunayan po, nagtayo po tayo ng 5 stock farms sa buong Pilipinas. Ang magandang balita, isa po sa 5 yan ay naandito sa Bohol, nasa Ubay, Bohol.
Through this dairy festival, I am hopeful that we are not only showcasing the strength of our dairy industry, but also promoting Bohol as a dairy capital of the Visayas.